To cancel a queued Robinhood order, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the Trade button located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a list of your current positions and any open orders you may have in the queue. Next, locate the order that you wish to cancel. You can find queued orders in the Orders section of the app. Tap on the specific order to open its details. Here, you will see the option to cancel order. Tap on this option to initiate the cancellation process. A confirmation message will appear to ensure that you want to proceed with the cancellation. After confirming the cancellation, the order will be removed from your queued orders. If the order had not yet been executed, you will see a message indicating that the order was successfully canceled. It's important to check that the order no longer appears in your list of open orders to ensure it has been effectively canceled. If you encounter any issues while canceling your order, try refreshing the app or logging in and out of your account. For any persistent problems, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for further assistance. Remember to keep an eye on your other open orders to manage your investments effectively.